Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Gardening Stories by Jyotsna. So today we will be talking about heart pruning in plants that were in dormancy for the winter season. So as you can see, this is my Kadi Patta plant and it was not growing well in the winter season, and every year it happens, and it's very normal that in winters some of your plants don't grow well. So what you need to do that as the winter ends and the spring season comes, you need to hard prune your plant. So you need to cut it from the middle of the stem like this, and no need to worry. Soon you will get new shoots coming out from the side branches of the plant. You can see the pot size of my Kadi Patta plant. It's not so big, so I need to keep it short in height. 1 week after hard pruning my plant, I get some new leaves. As you can see that many new leaves are coming out of the branches. And every year I do this, I give it a nice haircut in the spring season, and again new shoots come out, some fresh leaves, and it becomes very bushy and healthy. So after pruning it, you also need to change the topsoil of the plant, because it's in the same pot for a very long time. So the roots gets bound, and the roots doesn't get developed nicely. So you need to change the 3-4 inches of topsoil and add some compost in the new soil, and then put it back in the pot, water it thoroughly, and we are ready to go for the new season. And soon your plant becomes bushy, healthy, and it gives new leaves to you. In compost, you can use cow dung compost, fully decomposed cow dung compost, or vermicompost, or kitchen compost. It's just not necessary that you only need vermicompost. Cow dung compost you can easily get from any nursery. And I also want to mention that I don't give it compost regularly for the whole year. Only while pruning it at once a year, I give it very nice compost so that it grows well for the whole year. Only you need to till it after every 15 days, so that the air circulation happens nicely, and water it regularly. Don't over water any plant, the plant may die. So that's it. Only it's a very easy going plant. You doesn't need much care. Only at the time of pruning you need to compost it. That's it. So in the same way I have pruned my white pothos plant also. I have given it a nice haircut and have removed the dead leaves from the upper layer of the soil, and I am just tilling it. The soil has become very hard due to the development of roots. So I will till it nicely, and I will fertilize it. It doesn't need very much of fertilization. It's a very easy going plant. So now it's also ready to go. Soon we will see some new leaves coming out, and it will become bushy and healthy again. I will also propagate the stems that I have taken out from the pothos plant, and I will have a new batch of pothos plant. So that's it for today. Hope you like my video. Thank you.